Okay, so now we're going to talk about how we can graph a line given an equation. Now the equations we're going to be given in IXL are in what's called slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Now you remember that m, this number right here, is the slope. That's a number that describes as a ratio how much the line is increasing or decreasing as compared to how much it's moving horizontally. So vertical change compared to horizontal change, rise over run. Keep in mind that this number will oftentimes be a fraction, but sometimes it's just a whole number, which means the denominator is just a 1. And then this number is the place on the y-axis where the line will actually cross the y-axis. So that's the background information. Let's actually try one. It's going to give us an equation written in slope-intercept form, and we're going to plot the y-intercept first, and then we'll use the slope to get a second point. And if we have 2 points, we have a line. So this one has a y-intercept of 4. And the number that's written in front of the x right here, so there really isn't a number written. So that means it's a 1, which means 1 over 1. So if the slope is 1, that means the vertical change is, and that means a horizontal change is, good, 1 and 1. Up 1, over 1. That's what the graph looks like. This one has a y-intercept of 9 and a slope of 9. That means vertical change of positive 9, horizontal change is 1, although it's not written. So we'll start at 1. If I go up 9, starting at 1, that'll take me all the way up to 10, but then I have to move over 1. Now this one's a little different. These have all been positive so far, and I'm probably only going to do one more, but just keep in mind if this number here were negative, that means that your vertical change would be going down. Let's start at 1, and the slope here is up 1 over 9, up 1 over 9, because we started at 0. Last one, y-intercept is 3, slope is 4, that means 4 over 1. Start at 3, go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go over 1. That's pretty much all there is to it.